Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam inducted new members into their organization during the meeting held at Langsomepi LP School, 10 kilometers away from Koilamati under Nilip constituency on Saturday. On 30th July, ACYPA organized a meeting at Langsomepi LP School, situated 10 kilometers away from Koilamati under Nilip constituency. At the meeting, more than 30 members were inducted to strengthen the organization. The meeting was chaired by Mohendra Kathar, President, Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam, Nilip, Duarbogori and Sochengthenta constituency. It was informed that Jameson Rongphar was appointed as a new secretary of ACYPA, Nilip, Duarbogori and Sochengthenta constituency, and Prince Kiling as the new general secretary of ACYAP, Karbi Anglong.
Nilip along secretary, anti-corruption secretary, Nilong president of Najrabul, Bangla Commission to Binipen Chedenpono, Jameson Rongphar and Bajo, nasi aprang kedamtangan ang lingkaran bunga bang ke Prince Kiling si ng Sirabon kemelalay bang non district along sa Pondelo na si district long kidon driven non aduntu bang ke ini tuma Kote Jameson Rong para si nililong secretary bu alang kan ke pono alang lipen la penon pini ni tum joano pen anilong na joano na Kote tum pen ni tum la nilip okone ni puchokle nilip dua paguri la kadu ko ni tum celang kontrol.
As per the report, the organization's aims to check and balance the implementation of government schemes and projects across the three neighboring constituencies.
Lapen hemsola PMGY lakatu kabe doik lasi rongalo sar kethe to CMM saratum lapen mi se tum lutam te theklongji lasi labangso ni tungla tuteli ke chokche kele ledin an kele tum group la do anpen jelangsi.
Sitro Borua, President ACYAP Karbi Anglong, along with his companions, attended the meeting. As many as 40 participants attended the meeting. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live.